Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. Now we can hear the sound. To turn it off, let's move to the left corner to this button. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have shooter sound option. By using this button from the right, we can turn it off or turn it on again as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's go back to the camera and let me take another picture. And now we can't hear the sound. Of course, we can go back to the left corner settings, slide again and turn it on again as we need. So now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.